Hey you guys, I just want to come on here and talk to you guys about some tips on how to successfully land a hospital CNA job. If you want to know, alright, keep on watching. Tip number 1, update your resume. If you want to successfully get a CNA job, especially at a hospital, try to get rid of all the old jobs that don't necessarily pertain to the hospital, or try to keep your recent job history to a minimum of 1 page. So just 1 page full of your past job that you obtained. I know since I didn't have any experience, I had retail, hotel experience. So my job history didn't pertain to the hospital, but I did keep it to a minimum of 1 to 2 pages. My second tip is to be confident, believe in yourself, because if you don't, then you're not gonna get the job. You gotta believe in yourself, because if you're not, then how are you gonna get the job that you want? Negative thoughts aren't gonna help you. My third tip is to be persistent. These employers need to know that you really want the job. They need to see that you really want to work for them. If you're consistent, then they will give you a call. I'm not necessarily saying that that you should keep calling these hospitals, because that's definitely not going to work. I would just keep applying to job postings. Anything that you see, just keep applying, keep applying, and keep applying. That's what I mean about being persistent, not calling. Also, don't give up. Someone will eventually give you a job. Just remain positive. And then my final tip is to upload a cover letter with why you want to be a CNA, what can you bring to the table, your greatest assets or your strength. So hopefully these tips help. Comment, like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.